I'm very passionate about data science because it is more like the big thing now. It's more like using data to produce or build models, predictive models that can solve problems.
I'm a 400 level student of mechatronics engineering at FET Mina, and I've always loved programming. And I believe it's the next big thing.
Solving problems has been one of the best things I've been doing. I started learning programming to be able to solve problems.
The part is that you get somebody writing a very long sentence. The work was done, the construction was good, but not commissioned.
The solution for the datathlon is Alium Technology is building an information system in which all the data information of the civil servants and other public service holders in Kaduna State will be centralized and digitalized in such a way that the cases of missing files and missing documents will be automatically erased.
Our solution is one that consumes data from a variety of sources, just like the name ELT. We extract this data from a variety of sources, load this data, and then transform the data. This is against the normal ETL process that is currently outdated. What we are currently doing is what is used industry-wise by several companies.
My approach is solving the issues of data collection. I have developed a method where data collection will be in a more structured order than the normal way of data collection, which is from paper to paperless. Using digital questionnaires, we can get better inputs of data rather than having data that is unstructured. So we'll have better structures to data than the former way of data collection.
So, but for me as a data person, I want to see a problem. This is the problem that I usually know. When data comes in, there are a lot of garbages inside the data, missing data, so many things, and you are trying to provide solution to it. You understand? Even when you are telling me about the ETL, because I think you are talking about ETL to LT, ELT. So how does that work?
Okay, my solution was to come up with an optical character recognition for conversion of text on images to a format that is editable and storable and reusable, of course. And the main objective was to make sure that the existing files are already converted into a form that is easier, like I said earlier on, to work with. So the next step for the solution is to be able to convert these files into other file formats like Excel, JSON, CSV, and other file formats so that it's easier to work with and it's easier for further analysis.
Basically what I did was more like a web app. It was a web app that does, it predicts and shows the nearest hospitals to you. So the moment you log in to the web app, it gets your location as well as does some little authentication behind the scenes. The moment you allow all those things, it shows the nearest hospital to you and it calculates the cost of treating you and registering in the hospital, as well as it shows the distance between you are from the hospital.
We don't see this as a competition, we see this as an opportunity to work and to add value to the Kaduna State government. And so we are hopeful that we would get to the top, but irrespective, we believe that whatever happens, we would add value to the Kaduna State government. But trust me, I'm sure that my team will be at the top.
The main goal is to provide the solution first. because there are so many healthcare centers out there that need a solution actually, and that's like the primary thing. The main goal for me is just to make sure that these healthcare centers have access to this solution.